Today from our studio at AmazonSellersLawyer.com, I'm going to be talking to you about how we won reactivation of an account where our client was totally locked out. Amazon sellers, from time to time, we see waves of sellers just like you who are calling us on this phone number, emailing me at this email address, submitting their case online through this giant silver button where they have no idea why they can't log into your account. You are locked out. So when you hire us, we start doing a real deep dive investigation to try and figure out what is causing you to be locked out. Years ago, there were dozens of hacked Amazon accounts where our clients were locked out while their money was being siphoned off to other countries. Other times, there were people simply breaking into the account, changing listings. Was it competitors? I don't really know. In this particular case, that was handled by Ashley DePinto, one of our senior paralegals who I am blessed to have on our team. What Ashley did is she did a deep dive investigation, believed that the problem was being caused by a buyer's access, and wrote correspondence to professionals that work for Amazon where we simply have great relationships. Through this process, Amazon staff confirmed that the account had been hacked into. Amazon took the steps necessary so that our client could log into the account, and then our client immediately got the two-step verification, changed the passwords, and otherwise secured the account. So if you're an Amazon seller and you are suddenly locked out of your account and you just don't know why, please get in touch with me in any one of these 4 ways. We'll talk about it. We'll see how we can get you back on as quickly as possible.